Isaac. 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 Isaac! Huh? Why is it so bright? Like, ow. It's morning? No! Yo, big boy, what you doing, boy? Big boy, big boy! Yeah, what's up, Dad? Nothing, big boy! Get up, and go to school, big boy! Better stop. Get up and go go to school, big boy! Alright. Yeah, big boy, let's go. I go to the bathroom. Jeez. Go pee. Now I gotta get ready for school. Where's that chain at? Oh. Let me get this on. Alright, I got my chain on. I'm ready for school. School sucks. You got that right, mate. School really sucks. I don't even want to be here right now. I wish I was still in jail. But, I don't at the same time. Yeah, whatever. Yeah, it's sad. Yo, Madison. Yeah? You know where Jake is? No. Oh, okay. I don't know. Just gotta wait for him, I guess. Yeah. Yes, so guys, you're all sucking booty today. Let's get this game going. Got my new fresh glasses on. Can't tell me I'm cooler than you guys. I am the best in the whole world. Oh, there he is. Yes, sir. Ah ha ha ha. You see me with the new glasses in your face. Oh, God. What? Bro, you don't see my chain? Bro, it's real gold, man. It cost me like almost 10 grand, bruh. Stop the cap. Just stop the cap. Don't stop the cap. It did. It did. No, it didn't. So how much was your glasses if this is not real gold? Oh, these glasses? These are real. 10K. 10K. You know? 10K. You're lying, bro. No, I'm not. And I'm a flex so hard on you. You know what? I'm gonna fight you for your chain. No, you're not. Because if it's not real gold, then why would you want it? I want it so you don't have it. Fine. Instead of fighting, we do a backflip contest. You okay with that? Yeah. Whatever. Yeah. Alright, we can do a backflip contest because you already know your boy's gonna win. You know, your boy me. I'm gonna win. You're not gonna win because I'm better than you and stronger than you and have big balls. What? How do you have big ball? I'm not even gonna ask. Just do a backflip. Oh, you want to see me do a backflip? Bet. Oh dang. Oh my. Are you good? Oh dang. I thought you were gonna be better than me, bro. I thought you were gonna be better than me. My turn. You ready for this, big boy? Ready for this big flip? Big flip, black flip? Ready? Oh! Haha! You can't even do one. You just went backflopped on your booty hole, booty head, booty band. Oh, I'm good, man. I'm good. I have this in the bag. Okay, I got this in the bag. You just get my glasses back on. I got this in the bag. All right, your turn. You gotta do another backflip. All right, I'm ready, and I ain't no booty hole man. Ready? You ready for this, bro? You ready? I bet. 3, 2, 1. I did it! I did a backflip! I can do a backflip! Let's go! Oh! I slipped. Ow. How am I supposed to do that? How am I supposed to do that? Hey, you said that you were better than me, right? Yeah, I said that. So, my turn, whatever, so it's all good. 3, 2, 1. Ah! Ooh! Oh my god. I'm okay. Wait, what happened to my... No! My glasses! Haha, they broke. Dude, my glasses, these are... I don't want these stupid glasses anymore. They're stupid. They're broken. I don't want them. You can have them. Stupid, I'm out of here. Wait, we still have school. Oh yeah, hold up, let me sit down, let me chill. Bro, they're not broken anyways, and you still guys can have them. Hey, let me fix them real quick. Just let me drop them in there. There we go. See, they're brand new, they're fixed, they're everything. And so, I am, threw them up there at my dad's house. Wait, what? Alright, everybody, are you ready? You ready for the school? My name is Noodle. My name is Miss Noodle. You ready for school? Oh my gosh, they shouldn't have did the backflip freaking challenge. I know, man, it's alright, calm down. Whoa, Isaac, Jake, go to the principal's office. You're sleeping on the job.